and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today is yet another advent calendar unboxing. It is my last one and it is very special. I am going to be opening the Charlotte Tilbury Bejeweled Chest of Beauty Treasures. So if you would like to find out what Charlotte Tilbury has given us in her advent calendar, then just keep on watching. Okay, I love the packaging. I mean, Charlotte Tilbury knows how to do packaging, but this isn't it. This is not what the advent calendar looks like. I'm going to try and open it on camera. Ooh, it looks even prettier. Okay, since it's drawers. That looks so cute. Okay, this is what the box looks like. Wow. Well, honestly, you guys, I'm dead. £150 for 12 drawers. Not a lot, but a lot of that money went into packaging for sure. That looks stunning. I love it. And you know what? Since it is my last one, since it's reasonably small and definitely nowhere near as heavy as the John Lewis one, I might do it like this so you can see. Unfortunately, there's no numbers, or at least I can't see any. Right, the first drawer. Okay, let's just put this down. I'm gonna break things. The first drawer, obviously we have the beautiful Charlotte Tilbury tissue paper. I might reuse this. You guys, this has definitely, like, the money has definitely gone into packaging. These are screwed in. I know this is just cardboard, but even if you at home don't plan to keep the actual box, I highly recommend unscrewing these and maybe reusing them in the future, because this is like a diamond handle thing. That's so cute. However, the first item is the Hollywood Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter. Very nice. I have never tried the liquid highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury. I have seen it, but I haven't tried it. Is this the darker one? I'm gonna have to find out what shade it is, but if it's this, if it's like a bronzy kind of shade, that's not gonna suit my skin tone. The next thing, of course, some tissue paper. I've seen this before. We've had this in the John Lewis calendar, maybe? This is the Colour Chameleon and it's Copper Light. If I'm not mistaken, Copper Lights, it's like a golden kind of shade. I assume she invented this for blue eyes. Drawer number 3. I am going in order, by the way. I shall show you in a second. Rock and Coal. Love that. Iconic liquid eye pencil in Barbarella Brown. It looks black. It's like an espresso kind of brown. Let me just show you how I'm opening them. I've got all the items that I opened already at the top, and then I just went this one, this one, this one. Just going from left to right, top to bottom. The wider drawer. This is super cute, and it's a Goddess Skin clay mask. Very nice. I highly doubt this is the full size 15mm. Doesn't seem like a full size. Halfway there, drawer number 6. This is quite heavy. This is Charlotte's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. I'm assuming it's a serum. As we can see, it is definitely not a full size. It's a mini. Really cute. Would go nicely in a stocking. Drawer number 7. Oh, it's another squeezy tube, and it is the Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Glow Primer. Very, very nice. Again, I believe this is a travel size because it's 15 ml. Drawer number 8. Let's see this puppy. What have we got here? Ooh, what is that? Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes. Super black. I'm guessing it's a mascara. Let's have a look if I'm correct. I am correct indeed. Very interesting shape. It's almost like flat. Huh. Okay, drawer number 9. Oh, it's going to be a lipstick. As you all know, my favourite lipstick of all time is the Charlotte Tilbury Nude Kate. I am wearing it today. I paired it with the Barry M Toast Liner. It looks so good. It's my favourite shade. I do love it. It's like a yellowy nude. Not for everyone. Oh, it is the Pillow Talk lipstick, which I already have. So you can guess what's going in the giveaway. It is a lovely, very inclusive, brownie, mauvey, pinky nude. Very, very nice. I love the smell of these. They smell vanilla-y. Okay, 3 more. Let's have a look what's in this one. And we have another squeezy tube. This is the Supermodel Body Shape, Hydrate and Glow. I'm thinking it's some kind of a moisturizer, maybe, for the body. Again, a travel size. Second to last drawer. But it is the very famous Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. But again, I think this is also a travel size. I'm pretty sure, because it's got a nicer packaging, the big one. But I might be wrong. We shall see. Last but not least, the drawer number 12. Let's see what's inside. We have the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. Love that. Really wanted to try that. Don't know why. I'm not that into setting sprays. Because the only reason why I'm not into setting sprays is because the matte ones that elongate your makeup have alcohol in it. I wonder if this one does as well. I would have to have a look. If this doesn't have alcohol, it should be pretty nice. Alright friends, all the 12 items are on the top of my chest drawer. I am going to go off camera, find out all the prices, add them up and see whether Charlotte Tilbury, has she been generous this Christmas. After my Charlotte Tilbury mystery lip box unboxing where I saved £2, I wouldn't be surprised if the items inside this box actually add up to like 155 where I paid 150. So let's see, and I shall be right back to tell you all about it. Alright you guys, as I was adding things up, I realised that I missed the number 4 and I missed out on the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat. This is the travel size. Even though it is travel size, you do get quite a lot. You get 2/3, I would say. The most expensive item in this box is actually the highlighter that we had first. It is £29 and I do believe I have the full size. And then this is just going to be completely random. The Copper Light Colour Chameleon is £19. The Pillow Talk lipstick is £25. Setting spray is £15. The clay mask is £10. The magic cream is £25, and as I expected, it is the travel size. The elixir is £25 and it is also the travel size. The Wonder Glow primer is £15. The kohl liner is £19. The mascara is 25, the lip liner is 17, and the body highlighter is actually unavailable in this size, so I just calculated it and it comes out to $11.25. Altogether, the products in the box are worth £225.25, and I have bought this box for £150, so I have saved £72.25. Not bad. Honestly, I am a little surprised. This is so shady. Is it the best? Especially after John Lewis last week, it is not. But I have got an array of products that I'm sure I'm going to enjoy, and I can't wait to actually try out. But I know I'm not going to keep you waiting any longer. For the giveaway, I am going to give away the Pillow Talk lipstick, the Pillow Talk liner, the travel size, and I'm going to give you the Supermodel body. Turns out it is a body highlighter. I think this is a very nice cutesy bundle. If you would like to enter the giveaway, just read the description down below, and good luck. It is my final giveaway. I have done giveaway every single week this month, and I hope you have appreciated it, and I can't wait to choose the winners, and I hope you enjoy Christmas. I hope it brings a little bit of joy to all of you this year. The winners and the people that have watched, the people that have entered the giveaway. I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. You are the best, and I hope to see you next time.